Hello listeners, in this video we have a question on trigonometry which says show that sin 30 is equal to half, that is 1 divided by 2. The second one says cos 30 equal to root of 3 divided by 2. The third one tan 30 is equal to 1 divided by root of 3, and then sin 60 equal to root 3 divided by 2, and then cos 60 equal to 1 divided by 2, which is half, and then the 61 says tan 60 equal to root of 3. Solution. Our solution for this question, before you prove this, the first thing you do is you draw an equilateral triangle, that is all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Let us draw it first. This is the triangle. Wow, and it is a rough drawing, but just take that all sides are equal and the angles will be equal. So here is angle 60, here is angle 60, and here too is angle 60, but let us divide it into two. So if here is 60, here is 60, and then here is 60, here will be 30, here too will be 30. Okay, they say the size of the triangle is equal, all the sides are equal. So let us now triangle, let this be A, B, C. So if AB is equal to 2, and then let AC2 be equal to 2, because all the sides are equal. And if AC is equal to 2, then BC2 will be equal to 2, but it is divided into 2. Let me name this place D. So CD will be 1, and then BD will also be 1. Now the question say show that sin 30 degrees is equal to half. But let us bring in another principle, which is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, which implies that sin theta is equal to opposite all over hypotenuse. Cos theta, this C is cos theta, is equal to adjacent all over hypotenuse, and then tan theta is equal to adjacent all over hypotenuse. Sorry, SOHCAHTOA, this is O. Tan theta is equal to adjacent all over opposite. So now let us do it. This is sin 30 degrees. So now in this triangle, now this is sin 30 degrees. So this is the 30 degrees we are talking about, this angle. So in every right angle triangle you're solving, there are these three sides. The longest side in this very one, this is the one we are considering now. The longest side is the hypotenuse. This is the longest side, and then the side opposite the angle of consideration, that is the opposite, and then the other side that is left is the adjacent. So now our angle of consideration is 30 degrees. So they say sin 30 degrees, which is this, and this is the opposite, is SOHCAHTOA says sin is equal to opposite all over hypotenuse. So the opposite is what? 1, and then that is 1 because of this, and then the hypotenuse is 2, which is the longest side, which is 2. We have proven this very one. This I, sin 30 is equal to half, sin 30 is equal to half. Let us go to the second one, II. The II say cos 30 equal to root 3 divided by 2. We should prove this. So now this cos 30, the angle of consideration, the opposite is 1, which is the side facing it, but cos say is adjacent all over hypotenuse. So if this is the opposite and this is the hypotenuse, then this is our adjacent. This is our adjacent. But there's one thing, now our adjacent is not known, but this is the right angle triangle we are working on. So let us find this adjacent. Let us just say the adjacent is x for now. Now in finding any side of a right angle triangle, you use Pythagoras theorem, which say the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. When our hypotenuse is 2, that is 2 square, is equal to the other side is this one, which is 1 square, and the other side we say is x, that is x square. So this square will give us 4, that will be equal to 1 square, which is 1 plus x square. Collecting like terms, we will have 4 minus 1. The 1 is coming this side, it turns to minus x square, and then squaring this to have your s, you have, that is 3 is equal to x square, and then squaring this, you have x is equal to root of 3. You square both sides. Then now our adjacent is root of 3. Anywhere we are supposed to use the adjacent, we use root of 3. Then the cos theta is said to be root of 3 divided by 2, and then cos, the SOHCAHTOA say cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. Our adjacent is this, which is x. Then we have cos 30 degrees is equal to root of 3, which is our adjacent, divided by what? They say h, which is hypotenuse, divided by 2. We have proven the second one too. Look at it. Now we have the 3. The 3 say tan30 equal to 1 all over that. And then tan say, let us write it tan 30 degrees. And the tan on SOHCAHTOA we have tan is adjacent all over opposite. This is, remember it's 30, so this is the angle we are considering. This is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent. The tan say adjacent all over opposite. Then the adjacent is what? Root of 3, which is this, divided by the opposite. No, tan30, okay, tan30 toa is SOHCAHTOA OA. Sorry, this was a mistake. SOHCAHTOA OA. So now let us cancel this. We have this 3 tan 30 degrees is equal to SOHCAHTOA opposite all of adjacent. This is the opposite, this is the adjacent. So that will be 1 divided by, what is this? That is the hour adjacent divided by this. You look at it, 1 divided by this. We have proven this one. Let us divide our paper. Okay, let me take this up so that it will be bold enough for anyone to see. There is the I. We say tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 divided by root of 3, which is this one, which is proven. Let us go to the IV. IV says sin60. IV say sin60 degrees. Let us prove the sin60. Let us come back here. Now in the triangle, this is 60, this is our angle of consideration. You can use the triangle at the right hand side, but we choose to use this side of the triangle. So now 60 is now our angle of consideration. So now our opposite will be this side that is facing 60, which was our adjacent before, but now since it's 60, this is our opposite, this is our adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse remains because it's the longest side of the right angle triangle. So SOHCAHTOA say sine is equal to opposite all over hypotenuse. So the opposite here is this, which is root of 3 divided by hypotenuse, which is 3, and that would be, which is 2, that would be root of 3 divided by 2, adjacent all over hypotenuse. You understand? That is it. So this one too is proven successfully. Root of this divided by this. Now cos60. The same thing applicable to this one, which is V. Cos60 degrees is equal to cos adjacent all over hypotenuse. This is the opposite, so this adjacent all over hypotenuse, which is 1 divided by 2, which is half. You have 1 divided by 2. Look at it here. This one too is proving successful. Then VI, that is 6. Say tan 60 degrees. Now tan 60 degrees here. The SOHCAHTOA say tan is equal to opposite all over adjacent. So this is our opposite, which is this, and this is our adjacent, which is 1. So now you have 3 divided by 1. Then this divided by 1 will give us root of 3. As proven, as required. You look at it. So this is it. Please don't just go. Ensure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell to be notified for a new video if uploaded. Thanks for watching the video. Don't go, just like and comment.